The ITIL Foundation, which this content is based on, is the first publication of ITIL 4. It's the latest evolution of the most widely adopted guidance for ITSM, IT Service Management. And its audience is going to range from IT and business students taking their first steps in service management all the way to seasoned professionals who are familiar with earlier versions of ITIL, for example, ITIL version 3, and other sources of industry best practices. We have to understand that ITIL 4 has been substantially modified to address IT service management in the modern world. As a matter of fact, in the ITIL 4 Foundation Manual, you'll follow the exploits of a fictional company called Axle Car Hire on its ITIL journey. Now, none of the specifics of Axle Car Hire, including its employees, Henri, Sue, Radhika, and Marco, will be on the exam. But it was important for ITIL to expand the architecture and expand the framework to be more relevant to the modern world. According to the World Trade Organization, the WTO, services comprise the largest and most dynamic component of the economies of both developed and developing countries. Services are the main way that organizations create value for themselves and for their customers. Almost all services today are IT enabled, so there's tremendous benefit for organizations in creating ITSM capability, managing ITSM capability, improving ITSM capability, and expanding ITSM capability. Creating or generating ITSM capability goes beyond just leveraging new technologies and new architectures and frameworks. It involves using organizations and people. It involves information and technology, taking advantage of the knowledge and expertise of stakeholders such as partners and suppliers, finding new value streams, and improving processes. Managing ITSM capability will involve the service value chain, where demand is input into activities like engage, plan, improve, obtain or build, design and transition, and deliver and support products and services, the result being value. We improve ITSM capability by following the steps of the continual improvement model, asking relevant questions like, what is the vision? Where are we now? Where do we want to be? How do we get there? What actions will we take? Did we get there? And how do we keep the momentum going? And then we expand ITSM by